Crypto bros, we are going to take a look and do a full overview to understand what Biswap is and why it's, in my opinion, the best decentralized exchange out there. And right now I encourage you to like this video, subscribe for YouTube algorithm, and now let's just go to Biswap and check what it is about. Okay, like you can see a new scenery right now right here. I hope you like it, but no time to waste. As always, crypto never sleeps. Okay, you need to always do your own research before we start. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, Dior. Alright, so first thing, what Biswap is. This is decentralized exchange. If you don't know, we have two types of exchanges in crypto: centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. Okay, and Biswap is the biggest decentralized exchange, which is DEX, and the shortcut it's DEX. Okay, on BNB Smart Chain, on Binance Smart Chain. Actually, Biswap was, in my opinion, there is going to be many people leaving centralized exchanges and using more often decentralized exchanges, especially when we had all these small caps projects, FOMOs. If you don't remember, about 2 years ago there was a big FOMO. All the small caps were launching, and what they cannot launch on centralized exchanges because they don't have the reputation. So what they do, they launch on decentralized exchanges like pancakeswap and like Biswap, where everyone can add liquidity. So now on Biswap, if you choose to reduce the stablecoin pairs trade fee to 0.1%, here's how it will be contributed. Like you can see, these are the percentages that you get. There is some percentage that goes to Biswap earn, team, the token burn, and LP reward for liquidity providers. This is the biggest percent. More trading volumes means more commission. More commission means a bigger burn of the token. Okay, so that means the ball is rolling and the whole business is growing. If there is a bigger volume, it's basically the best thing that can happen to an exchange. And thanks to volume, centralized and decentralized make money. Okay, the ability to reduce impermanent losses by concentrating liquidity in the certain price. In the next one, thank you so much for watching. Boom.